Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change notification sound on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Here I'm going to open up the phone setting. Scroll down and search for sounds and vibration. Now scroll down again and here you can see other notifications and reminders. And here you can choose local ringtone, um, the tune that you are recorded or that is in your file manager, that is in your music or your other applications, and these are those ringtones that are pre-installed in your mobile phone. So here you have to select one of the application, one of the ringtone, sorry. For example, if I select this, no, like this, for example, like this, so I can simply tap on apply and this will be apply on my device. So this is how you can easily change your notification sound on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.